portable oven. It's a great way to conveniently cook your fresh, refrigerated, or frozen meals while preserving food moisture and enhancing flavor. This convenient bag can be taken wherever you'd like to go. Cooking is as simple as plugging it in. It takes 2 to 3 hours to cook raw from scratch food, but frozen meat takes a little longer, from 3 to 4 hours. It reheats leftovers in 30 to 40 minutes. The food can be stored in many different types of containers, from metal to plastic. So no matter who you are or what you're trying to eat, allow this mini oven to provide you with a great meal to keep your day rolling right.
Portable oven is simple to use. Place your meal in the HotLogic Mini, zip it up, and plug it in. There are no buttons to push or controls to adjust. For the next 60 to 120 minutes, the HotLogic Mini cooks your meal, then adjusts the heating element to hold your meal at a perfect serving temperature until you are ready to eat. When lunchtime rolls around, grab your HotLogic Mini and enjoy a perfectly cooked hot meal right away. To clean the HotLogic Mini, unplug it and allow it to cool completely. Wipe the container and heating element with a soft, damp cloth sprayed with a mild soap. Never use harsh or abrasive cleansers, and never spray cleansers directly on any surface of the HotLogic Mini. The heating element should never be submerged underwater and is not dishwasher safe. The HotLogic Mini Personal Portable Oven uses a standard 2-prong power cord and can be plugged into any 120-volt outlet. It is extremely energy efficient, costing only about a penny to heat a meal to serving temperature. Use it at home, at work, in the car, or at the campground to have a hot meal ready when you are.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. We are talking about this electric lunchbox. Super cool. I've never seen anything like this before until now, so this is a very new world for me. And if you're trying to innovate your lunch experience, maybe you want to take a lunch like picnic date with your loved one, this would be a great thing to do that. Or you could also bring it to the office. So you could have pre-steamed, preheated, done all the cooking before, and then this will, the insulated bag will keep everything in here hot. Or you could just put everything inside and then cook at the office, and then it comes with a power cord and of course everything you need. Measuring cup also comes with the stainless steel tableware, and that you can put in this handy dandy little pocket back here. So how cool is that? So it's super convenient, okay? And it is a heat preservation bag, and we can just kind of go through each little layer here. And this is great for, like we talked about, you can preheat, or you can wait till you get to the office and it will cook it there for you, which is super cool. So after you heat the lunchbox, you shouldn't open it after 2 minutes. So if you are cooking, give it some time to simmer and do its own thing before you open, and that's just for safety reasons to prevent you getting burnt. So, and then this comes with this container here, so we can put our sausage in there on this top one, and then comes with a little in-between layer here, and then this is a 2-bite here, and so we can open it here, and this is stainless steel, so very good, high quality. And that's going to be good for our broccoli, or if you have any other snacks you can put in there, just however you want to organize it is cool. And then we have the bottom portion here, and then you could see on the back there are these little grooves here, so that's just going to keep things from moving around. It's going to be a slick, non-scratch material, so that's great too. And then this is where we would plug it in to activate the heat option, okay? So, and this is super convenient to carry around. Like we said, you could do this for a picnic. Maybe you're watching your kid's soccer game if you're, a mom who's, you know, watching your kids do their thing and you got to take care of yourself too, or maybe provide snacks for the kids, this is great to do that also. And the versatility of this product is awesome, just because you can, you know, take these to various different things. And even if you wanted to just use the bag by itself, you totally could, because it's insulated, right? And again, it has that little pocket there for your silverware. Maybe if you have your own equipment that you want to use, you can do that. You can, you know, put, if you use reusable straws, regardless of the material, that would be another good use for that pocket on the insulated lunchbox. Okay, so now we can just kind of put these in here. And again, just a reminder, you can either just put your food in here and then heat it up at the office or your location, wherever it is, or if you're going out and you're not gonna have access, then you can pre-make your food at home and then put it inside the insulated bag, and that insulation is going to keep the temperature from you know, being inconsistent. So all right, so we have our broccoli in there. We have that, overly complicated at all, and so we'll just put this in there. And this is great for various different types of food. You could do see, it's not going to move around. Okay. And also just make sure you don't want to cover these ports while it's working, just because, again, safety reasons. And then the silicone top here is high quality too. And then we could just plug this in. And so the port's going to be on this side, and it does have that button at the bottom we'll press too. Make sure it's plugged in. Okay. You could put veggies in here like we did. You could do seafood. Okay, and I'm gonna try to twist it around. It's kind of hard, but I don't think I can. It turns red on the button on that you will press. I'm sorry, it's the best I can give you right now. And that's how you know it is ready to go. And then once you are done, we could just unplug that here and then put this in. And then if we want to just use our little silverware here, that'll do right now. It's super easy to clean, so I'm not too worried about it. And then we'll zip this up here. And then we'll zip up the top. And you are all set. And then we can just keep this at home, or maybe we could throw it in here. I don't think we can. We could put it in the top there though if we want to later. And then you are all set to go. So this is such a fancy lunchbox. I love the fact that it comes with the stainless steel silverware. I think that's very practical and helpful, and it just takes out one little step that you would otherwise need to do. And the steaming feature is cool. Versatility of it. There's so many great components about this that I would highly recommend that you check this out for yourself. Bye.
Hello shoppers! I have one very nice product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a portable food warmer from Theocis, and it looks like this. It's very nicely designed and it's very well made, durable fabric and durable handle on the top. And it also comes with the strap, shoulder strap. It's detachable. It's very convenient to carry it both ways, this handle or long strap. It also comes with the manual, and as a very nice bonus you will get fork and spoon and nice mesh bag for this. The bag is designed with the durable zipper, and as you can see inside it insulated. It will keep your food warm for a longer period of time. And this is the actual heating pad. And it's very simple to use. All you need to do is just to place this heating pad on the bottom of this bag. You place your food container on the top and plug this in. It will take approximately 30-40 minutes to warm up leftovers, or if you're using frozen food, it will take longer, like a couple of hours. The size of the container is 9.25 inch length, 7 inch width and 4.25 height. and it's perfect size for most containers, and it's also suitable for any type of containers like glass, ceramic, cardboard, aluminum, or heat-resistant plastic. Portable food warmer from Theocis is a great choice. Quality is wonderful, it's compact and portable, it's very convenient and useful, and it comes in very nice box and could be very nice gift for your loved ones, for colleagues or family members. I love this product, I hope you like it too, I would highly recommend it to you.